My name is Brooke Drum, and this is the Printrbot. The Printrbot is a 3D printer. What's a 3D printer? 3D printers take ABS filament. This is the stuff that Lego is made out of, and it heats it up in this hot end, and it puts it down on this hotbed, and it lays it down a line at a time until you've got a full layer, and then it moves up and prints another layer. Now, after layer upon layer upon layer, you've got a part that you can hold in your hand made out of plastic. And they're very, very durable. So it's amazing to be able to design your own parts, and something that you just think of. You can design it in Google SketchUp. It's a free program. And you can put it into the machine here, and it will print out a three-dimensional part. You can make all kinds of things. People are making toys, things that have utility, hooks, all sorts of designs. And these designs, if you don't want to design them yourself, they're available online at thingiverse.com. So it's this crazy new world where you can think something and then print it and hold it in your hand. Now, these 3D printers have been around for a while, and they're amazing. This is a Prussia Mendel. But I see a couple of problems with these printers. To get to widespread adoption, where there's one in every home, there's one in every school, kids are putting them together. A kid is probably not going to put together a Prussia Mendel. If he does, he's a smart kid. But these printer bots really address a couple of problems that I see with the printers that are out there today. One is the build time. That Prussia Mendel, it took me, hours and hours to put that thing together. And this went together in 45 minutes. Literally, the parts, you'll get them in a box, you'll take them out, you'll follow the online video, and you'll have this thing together in under an hour. You'll be printing in under 2 hours. After you get it together, you'll hook up the electronics, download the software, it's all free online, and you'll be able to print these three-dimensional parts. 3D printing, I believe, is going to change the world. If you can imagine not having to go out and get these small little parts, or something breaks, you'll be able to fix it. All the shipping that goes into moving parts from China over to here. So being able to design and make your own parts, imagine what that will mean for kids, what they think they'll be able to build. The ideas they'll have on improving something, they'll be able to see that right in front of their eyes in a very short order time. So this is a game changer, I think. This is going to be a great first printer for a student. It'll be a great second printer for somebody that has a big one that sits at home in their garage or workshop, but they want something sitting on their desk right next to your computer, and you see something online that you want to print, or you design something, have a thought, it'll be right there next to you ready to print. These are quiet. They don't take up much space. They're light. You can take them with you. So in order to bring these kits down to a price that's affordable, we got to make a lot of them. So that's what the Kickstarter project is about. Not just making a simple printer, a small printer, but it's making an affordable printer. Consider supporting the Printrbot Kickstarter project and help us change the future through 3D printing.